Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to delete a album on Facebook using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then search for facebook.com. And once you've done that, just go ahead and log in your account. After that, just go ahead and click on your profile here at the upper right corner of your screen and click on your name. And then after that, you can now go ahead and click on this photos, right? You can see here. So click on that and click album. So let's just refresh this. So as you can see here, I have two albums, right? And if I want to delete the sample album, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this three little dots at the upper right corner of the album. And here you can see a lot of options, but you want to delete this, delete album, okay? So here I sure you want to delete sample, all media in this album will also be deleted. So if you are sure about that, just go ahead and click on delete album, and then let's just wait. And then here, as you can see, that album is now deleted. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.